Welcome back to HopeTube. Have you ever walked along a riverbank or a deserted beach and noticed the twisted, weathered pieces of wood scattered across the sand? To most, they are just debris, remnants of broken branches washed away by time and tide. But to those with a creative eye, they are something far more profound. Today, we are diving deep into the world of driftwood art, a journey where nature serves as the sculptor and we become the curators of its masterpieces. Imagine a piece of wood that has traveled hundreds of miles, buffeted by saltwater, scorched by the relentless sun, and polished by the abrasive friction of sand and stone for years, perhaps even decades. This is not just wood, it is a survivor. It is a piece of history that has been stripped of its soft bark, leaving behind only the most resilient heartwood, hardened and textured by the elements. Today, we explore how these forgotten relics are transformed into breathtaking works of art. What makes driftwood so special? It is the process of transformation. When a tree falls into a river and eventually reaches the ocean, it begins a long journey of refinement. The saltwater preserves the wood, acting as a natural insecticide, while the constant motion of the waves acts like sandpaper, smoothing out every rough edge. By the time it washes ashore, it is no longer a simple branch, it is a canvas of natural geometry. When an artist approaches a piece of driftwood, they do not see a piece of trash. They see the potential for a sculpture. Some pieces twist like the coils of a serpent, others are as rugged and lined as the face of an elder. The artist's role here is humble, they do not dictate the form, they listen to it. They look for the flow, the balance, and the narrative already embedded in the fibers. One of the most captivating applications of this medium is the creation of wildlife sculptures. Imagine taking these salvaged pieces and assembling them to form the majestic silhouette of an eagle in flight. Every piece of wood is hand-selected, long, slender pieces serve as the primary feathers, while thicker, knobby fragments form the beak and the powerful chest. When you look at such a sculpture, you are seeing a dialogue between the artist and the environment. You see the movement. The way a branch naturally bends mimics the tension of a horse mid-stride or the fluidity of a dolphin leaping through the surf. These are not merely static objects, they are expressions of life captured in organic materials. A driftwood horse does not need a veterinarian, it requires the vision of an artist who understands that every curve in the wood carries the energy of motion. Beyond visual appeal, driftwood art serves a functional purpose in our homes. We are moving toward a trend of rustic home decor, where the boundaries between the indoors and the wild are blurred. Imagine a coffee table whose base is a massive, intricate root system salvaged from a riverbank, topped with a piece of clear, polished glass. The juxtaposition of the raw, weathered wood against the smooth, modern glass creates a centerpiece that tells a story of both nature and civilization. Think of floor lamps crafted from tall, elegant driftwood pillars. When the light hits the natural grooves and ridges of the wood, it creates shadows that dance on your walls, bringing the atmosphere of a sun-drenched forest into your living room. From coat racks made of small, sturdy branches to mirror frames encrusted with weathered fragments, driftwood brings a unique character to any space. It is a reminder that beauty does not have to be manufactured, it can be found. Now, let us venture into the realm of abstract art. This is where the geometric beauty of nature truly shines. Using driftwood to create relief art, where shapes emerge from a wooden canvas, challenges our perception of space and form. Artists often group similar types of wood to create patterns that seem almost mathematical, echoing the fractal designs we see in nature. This is the hidden history of wood. It is a photographic and physical exploration of how nature organizes itself without a blueprint. When we arrange these pieces, we are essentially retracing the growth rings of the tree and the path of the river. It is a meditative process. It demands patience and a deep appreciation for the imperfect, for it is in the imperfections, the cracks, the knots, and the eroded sections, that the true character of the wood resides. Many of you have asked, how do I start? The journey begins with the hunt. Finding the right piece of driftwood is like a treasure hunt. You need to look for pieces that are solid, not rotting. Once you have your collection, the cleaning process is vital. You must scrub away the debris, remove any potential rot, and sometimes treat the wood to ensure it lasts for generations. Styling is where your personal flair comes in. Do you want to leave it natural, or do you want to enhance the grain with a light coat of oil or varnish? Both have their merits. The natural finish feels more rugged and authentic, while the varnished finish brings out deep, rich colors that highlight every detail of the wood's journey. At Hope Tube, we believe that art is a bridge between our daily lives and the natural world. Driftwood art is a testament to the idea that nothing is truly wasted if you have the vision to see its beauty. We hope this exploration into the hidden history of wood inspires you to look at the world a little differently. Next time you are near the water, pick up that piece of wood. It may just be the start of your next masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that celebrates the harmony between nature and art.